Hi, I'm Corey with No Bar Tire Changers. We're here in our factory today doing a video showing our tire changer being used on a hitch mount. We'll be changing this scooter type tire. It's actually off of a Grom, a 12-inch tire on the blocks using this tire changer. So with this tire change, I've already let the air out of the tire. Pull my bead breaker up. Make sure it's straight up and down. Block is centered over the yellow dot. Break the bead. Push tire down. Flip the wheel over, and I'll do the other side. And as I said earlier, this is a 12-inch wheel, so I will set it to a 12-inch setting. Every wheel varies a little bit based on the size of the lip of the wheel. So lock the wheel in. Some of these wheels require posi clamps, some can be done with blocks. This wheel will work with blocks. Push down the back, the side, and lock in my cam. I usually like my stem at the 6 o'clock position. Take our spray, which is our lube, mix with water, but an adequate amount of water lets the bar slide. Take my demount tip, hold it at an angle, work it between the tire and the wheel, holding it at a 45-degree angle so it drops in. Give it a quarter turn, push the tire down. As I bring the bar up and over, set my center post. From here, hold the bar at the end, lift up on the tire a little bit, give it a spin. I'll set my bar down, raise my center post, lift tire up and grab the second bead. Be sure and lift the top post up before you set it. Don't crank it down, just lightly snug it. Lift on the tire a little bit, make sure you're in the smallest part of the tip, give it a spin. Now that I got the tire off, it's generally a good idea to always replace the stem. On this one, it's already been replaced. Push the tire on, the first bead. There it is. Lube the back side of the tire right here between 2 and 6. I'm not putting a lot on, just enough lube to let it slide. These are all your high friction areas. So installing the tire, got the first bead on, push the tire down, set your bar. Usually set it right about 10 o'clock, take your yellow thing, push the tire down, just set your yellow thing on there. Usually around 6 or 7 o'clock as you're facing it. Set your center post. Dropped in the bearing. Sure and load the top post. And don't have to crank that down, just lightly turn it, just snug it. From here I step around to this side of the bar. And push with my hip on the handle. And basically I'm just driving with this leg. The tire's on. There we have a scooter or a Grom tire on a 12-inch wheel installed on this changer on a 2-inch receiver hitch mount. Thanks for watching.